Let me show you. After this session, I have taken the trades also. It's hanging. I'll be giving you a link of Google Notebook. It is made by one of my friend named Pradeep. You can find some backtesting report there. Okay, open it and let me come to the point here. So before we talk about that strategy, which is the most important discussion about this whole conversation, and we have 1 more hour here, there is no other webinar, so we can take time. And this is the most important part you need to hear. I'll be connecting the dot for whatever I have talked so far. So in my forum, there is an option buyer who used to buy options without heads and tails. He had no systematic approach. You can make money by selling options. You can make money by putting options, by buying options, but you cannot make money unless you don't have a system. So I gave him a system. He had a small capital, so I tell him to buy options. Okay. I asked him to enter at 920 or 930. You know that why I do not like the 915. And I asked him to exit at 1440. So see, this is the total backtesting report that what happened there. If he is entering ATM straddle by buying it only with no stop loss because he doesn't follow any stop loss, he totally get frozen. Okay, he's bad when the SL gets hit. So that's why I do not give him option selling strategy, because if market is going beyond his direction, he'll be totally frozen till his entire capital is going away. So I think it also happened with you also, guys, right? Many people get frozen when there is a loss. So we are entering here and we are exiting here. There are different kind of cases here. Out of the 10 days, we make a profit in the 3 days. And see, you can see that which one is making more money here. You need to go to the site there. So we are buying options of ATM C and P at X time. There is no SL. Maximum you can lose is the premium. There is no target. No headache to close at any point in the between. The fewer decisions we make, the more better. We are irrational guys. We exit at Y time. So this is a statistical backtest based on which this decision is taken. Okay. Now, other discount broker doesn't give any leverage, but LS Blue gives you leverage of 2x in the option buying, which you can use here. Okay. And you can find the most calculations, and after that you can see it is a total methodical approach that how I selected this method. Okay. So this is the method which after that I have decided to check in which day it is making money and it is losing money. And we can check that in Wednesday and Thursday it is losing money. You already know the answer why. It is losing money because the theta is very high in the Wednesday and Thursday, right? In Saturday, it is only one case because that time the market opened, that time it is more of trading, I guess. So we shall be only doing it in Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. Okay. And this is the graph. You can see there's a huge profit. Go to that page which I have given you and have a look at this. That how I came to this point and how I chose this 930 entry and 1440. Why not 920? And what is the whole assumptions here? And I do not want you to buy options. I only gave him a systematic approach. I'll be telling you that how what I do exactly here. I do not do this strategy. So what is the main drawdown of the strategy? The main drawback of the strategy is it is only using the data of last 1 year. Okay. I shall be giving you one link using which you can also backtest like I did. Okay. It is made by one guy named Prem. He is from our forum. Here is the entire GitHub code. you can backtest the entire Nifty and all the strategy as you can see here. Okay, download it, check it, what is it. My job is to show you that what you can do with and what kind of things, but you need to go check it yourself, or you can just read it. Okay, so this is a systematic approach of option buying. Now I'll be coming to the next part. Sorry, it may look like I have told about the basic things for so much of time, but that was necessary, because unless I talk about that kind of things, then how I can explain you. Now the most important part, which is the core part of this discussion, which is the straddle model. Before we discuss the perfect intraday option selling strategy, we need to talk about the theta ones. And I have already explained that why 920. So the strategy is that we sell a ATM straddle at the time of 920 with a stop loss of 20% per leg. Now, if you're asking me that why not 930, you already know the answer, that I have backtested every method that, and I have backtested it for like more than 3 years, so almost 3 years. Yeah, you can find the data there. You can test it yourself also. So what happens here in a trending day? Now what happens? I will be telling you here. Nifty Bank. I want to make money when the market is not moving. I want to also make money when the market is moving in one direction. See, when the market is moving like this, let's say we have a ATM straddle. So what happened when you have a ATM straddle? In ATM straddle, you can only make money if this, or if stays between a range like this, right? Because we are selling the call options and put options at this point, correct? But what happens if this line is getting broken? Then your put options is getting the stop loss hit and your call options started running. So that exactly what happened. In the theta, I have been posting the trades result recently. You can see that what happened exactly. I'll be showing you in this day particularly. Yeah. So this was running fine. This is 2000 profit in the morning. The profit increased because the market was consolidating and it is not breaking. It is like 12 p.m. We had a profit of like 20,500. It went up to 3000 also, and we are dancing that time. See? Then in the next minute, 20 minutes, the profit fell to 1000 rupees. We have a straight out loss of 1800 because it fell. This point, our stop loss is hit. The put options is gone. Now the call option is only running. Now, if it again goes up like this and hit this one, then we are totally fucked because our both stop losses are hit. So that cases are rare. It is based on the backtest. So only close the leg which has hit your stop loss. Now see what happens next. From 955, it kept increasing because market kept falling. It is a trending day. See, 250023, and it exited at 23,000 and people are posting their screenshots. So this is the thing that happened. Now, if it is moving without hitting anything, we are making money. If it is moving to one direction, we are hitting money. But if it is moving like zigzag like this, we shall be losing the money. Okay. So the cases of that is very low. So that's why what I like about this strategy. And in Allies Blue, you are getting a 10x leverage. So you can just sell there. And also the most important thing here is that you can use this bot, which I have made